everybody, guess what? I went to Walmart, and Walmart is a slow week with Ibotta. I tried doing a couple more deals, but I just didn't have the coupons for it. And a lot of the deals, the coupons, and Walmart just recently changed their policy where if the coupon does not scan, it doesn't matter if it's a printable coupon or a manufactured coupon, they will not take it. So just be prepared for a lot of those coupons you guys had problems with. They won't take it. So I ended up getting some things to show you guys, a lot of freebies, but I was just kind of ticked off with their whole coupon policy, which nothing I can do. So I ended up getting another soft scrub toilet cleaner because why not? I still have these coupons left. This was $1.98. I used that 75-cent off coupon. I paid $1.23, but then with Ibotta, you guys will get a 75-cent rebate, making it just 48 cents. I thought, you know what, for 48 cents, I'll go ahead and get that. So there was that, and then the other items I ended up doing is I got the buttermilk biscuits. These were $1. I got the cinnamon rolls. These were $1.66. And then I ended up getting the crescent rolls. These were $2.18. I used that $1 off the 3 coupon. So I ended up paying $3.84 for these 3. But then you can submit a 40-cent rebate for all 4 of them, making it just $2.64. There was a deal on Saving Star, but since I did this deal last week, I wasn't able to get it cheaper than that, but hey, it's still a good deal. And now I got to some freebies to show you guys. So we just got those Wet n Wild coupons. I love these coupons. Now, my cashier did have problems scanning these. She just couldn't get it to scan, but she eventually got them to scan. So these were 93 cents. I used that $1 off coupon that we got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up getting these each for a 7-cent moneymaker. So definitely check out that deal if you guys want to do that deal. I ended up getting more Bic whiteout because you can't go wrong with whiteout. So these were 97 cents. I used that $1 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's, or 2 Sundays ago. So you end up getting this to be a 3-cent moneymaker. So you can't go wrong with that. And then the last freebie I got were these Wet n Wild eyeshadows. Now, these were marked a quarter, 25 cents on the clearance rack, which was awesome. So I was going to use my 50-cent off coupon that we got also with the Wet n Wild coupon, but the coupon was not scanning. She tried and she tried and she tried. And she's like, I'm sorry. I says, nope, I understand you guys' policy. I know you can't do anything about it. She's like, well, she knows me. I go through her register a lot. She's like, do you want me to just take them off? I'm like, no, that's okay. They're for a quarter. I'm not going to really make a big deal about it. So there was that. So that was my Walmart haul. I know it was kind of lame. I'm just kind of having a bad week. It's just kind of a slow week with couponing, but I'm just having like a bad week. It's because of the weather. We had about 4 or 5 inches of snow yesterday, and I got some personal things going on, so I'm just kind of in a slump of couponing. But all that stuff after coupons came to $4.37. I know, it's crazy. But I only got $1.95 back with Ibotta, making everything just $2.42. I know, it's lame, and I'm sorry. But next week, I'm really hoping to step it up for you guys. I'm just kind of, I hardly work this week, so I'm just kind of being like, I just want to be a bum. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button. If you guys haven't joined Ibotta, I definitely recommend it. I hope February is not the greatest, but I am hoping January or February. I hope February is a whole lot better than January for Ibotta, but I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.